Find the next two numbers in the pattern: 6, 2, negative 6, negative 10, and so on. In this example, we have to find next two numbers in this pattern. So first, let me draw number line. Have to choose the unit because we have negative 10, so I will move more to the right side, and also we have 6 positive, so let's put this 0 here. 1, this will be unit. So first I have to find 6. 6 is always is positive number, so it's on the right side of our number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have number 6. Next we have number 2. We have negative 2, so negative number is on the left side from the 0. So negative 1, negative 2. Next we have negative 6, so negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Let's see if we have pattern in this first 4 numbers. We have 6, and we are moving to the left side 1, 2, 3, 4 units, and we have next number. Next, when we move another 4 units to the left, we have third number of our pattern. And from negative 2, when we move another 4 units, we will have the fourth number of our pattern. So we see that what we have to do to get to from 6, because we are moving to the left side, we have to subtract 4 to get second number of our pattern. And next, when we subtract from 2 another 4, we will have the third number of our pattern, and so on. So let's write this. So we have first 6 minus 4. So this is 2. We can do subtraction. From the larger number we subtract smaller. Next we have 2. We got 2. And again we have to subtract 4. Now we have smaller number. From smaller we have to subtract the larger number. How we do this? We first check this, which of these two numbers is greater. 4 is greater than 2. Next, we check the sign of the larger number. Before 4 we have negative sign, so we keep negative sign, and next we subtract from the larger number smaller. So 4 minus 2, this is equal, negative sign we have to rewrite, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So we got the third number of our pattern. So everything is correct. So let's do again subtraction. Next, from negative 2 we have to subtract 4 again. Negative 2 minus 4. When we have subtraction, we can rewrite this like addition of two negative numbers. We have negative 2 plus negative 4. And now when we have two numbers with the same signs, we keep this sign with negative, and we just add these two numbers. So 4 plus 2, let me write this, 4 plus 2. So this is equal, negative sign we have to rewrite, 4 plus 2 is 6. And we see that we got the fourth number of our pattern. It's negative 6. We see that to get another number of our pattern, we have to subtract 4. So the last number of our pattern is negative 2, because we need to get next two numbers. So we start from the last number. From negative 10, we have to subtract 4. Again, negative 10 minus 4, we can rewrite that this is negative 10 plus negative 4. Let me remind you, when we have positive and negative signs, positive and negative always give me negative. So positive, like times negative, is always negative sign. You have to memorize this. The same situation we had here. Positive and negative, this is negative, so I didn't change anything. Just I rewrite everything, so we see what kind of operation we have to do this. So now when we have addition of two negative numbers, how we do this? We just keep this negative sign and add two numbers, 10, which we have, and 4. So negative sign we have to rewrite. 10 plus 4 is 14. So we got the first number of our pattern is negative 14. And now from negative 14, if we subtract 4, because we see on our number line that the numbers decrease by 4. That's why we subtract 4. So negative 14 minus 4, this is equal. Again, we will rewrite as addition of two negative integers. So we have negative 14 plus negative 4, this is equal. Both numbers are negative, so we keep negative sign. And now we just add these two numbers, 14 plus 4. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite. And we have 14 plus 4 is 18. So to get third number of our pattern, we have to, from negative 18, subtract again 4 and again and again. But because we need to get only next two numbers, our solution will be negative 14 and negative 18.